Hello everyone, just a small disclaimer before starting this video. This video is still related to Moravia Cup, the rally that I did in Czech Republic, because when I went there with the idea to film as usual my reportage, I was able to actually film 3 videos. The RC rally, the meeting with Jakub, and today's video about RC Dakar trucks. When I was there, I saw these big RC trucks, first time in my life, and I've met with John. John is one, let's say, of the designers of this truck, and he was so friendly and kind to explain me about this project. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Filming this video, it was not easy because at Moravia Cup I was so busy, but for me it was very important to bring these RC trucks to my YouTube channel because I really wanted to show them to you. So, enjoy this video, see you next week. Ciao! Hello everyone and welcome to my channel in this special episode. Today I'm racing in a RC rally race here in Ostrava, and I saw something really cool. What I'm holding, it's a Dakar RC truck that it's built and designed by 2 guys here from Czechia. So in today's episode I'm going to talk about these cars. I'm going to show you how they run, and I will show you something about the technical part, and you will hear directly from the guys that designed this beauty. Just a reminder, subscribe and leave a like in order to support my channel. So guys, today here in Ostrava I'm seeing a lot of interesting things. As you saw, I show you a real Dakar truck that was going around, but here we have something I think more interesting. A RC Dakar truck. It's designed by John and Lubos. John, would you like to tell something more about this truck that you built?
Hi, we started with this truck in 2018, so I make first truck on the homemade, and this is the, I think, 3rd or 4th modification of this truck, and this is the fastest truck what we have now. The last year was winner, this truck, and it's a completely us production. Can show you.
Yeah, please show us the frame.
This is our frame from the laser cut, 1.5 millimeters. And all this frame, we make more trucks, and all this frame you can build some more trucks. For example, the Iveco.
Can you show us something else? Do you have a frame?
Frame. Okay. This is how looks frame, and this is from 3D printer. All this truck, Kamaz, Iveco, MAN, and others are from the 3D printers. And this is down, the chassis is the completely aluminium and steel, and the body is from the 3D printer.
Okay, show us the Iveco truck.
This is the Iveco truck by Team Deroy. This starts on the Dakar Rally 2022.
Okay, John, thank you for sharing with us this beauty, and good luck for today's race.
Okay, thank you very much.